Hi, it's Leah, and somebody once asked me in the comments to, elaborate and make a video on why should financial literacy be exposed to children from a very young age. And simply, this is important because the school system is not designed to teach you certain things concerning financial literacy. All right, they do not teach you really in depth about your taxes, about investments in many asset classes. All right, the school system prepares individuals for work. Most they really prepare you, for being your own boss. And I remember, choosing business subjects in secondary school when we were going through our principles of business. When we highlight an entrepreneur, especially like a sole trader, they would always highlight the worst parts of the business, that you have to work long and always make it seem like it's something so bad. They don't really, uplift entrepreneurship in the school system. And, financial literacy principles it's so wide that, again, if it is the schools were to teach that, probably the economy as a whole would have been different, and would have been probably a country that is pro entrepreneurship and business and small business development, right? Financial literacy from a young age will help also, prevent individuals when they get into young adulthood, prevent them from making silly financial decisions, or prevent them from the abuse of money, which is quite common. You go through school, they teach you to go get a job, you go get the job, and then you get your pay, and then all you want to do is spend it. You just want to enjoy it. They are not teaching you principles, financial principles you would get from, like, The Richest Man in Babylon. That's an exceptional book. You can even find it right here on YouTube. you know it's a 3 hour long audio book, but it's very valuable. This book would break down certain things like, okay, how much you should really allocate to savings, how much you should allocate to investments, how much you should allocate to paying off debt. And if you budget your life from young, you would have no problem managing money. And as some people will say, the more you manage your money now, is the is it's when you manage your money now, it actually prepares you for receiving greater amounts in the future. And if you can't manage little now, how would you really be able to manage a lot as things and as you level up? All right. So that is why, financial literacy should be exposed. But of course, it's on the older ones to be in tune, all right, with the books and with the audio tapes, and even seminars and so on, so that they can be informed and be able to pass this information down to the children, so that we don't keep repeating certain mistakes generation to generation. So that was my 2 cents on educating or exposing these financial concepts to children or to people from a very early age. And feel free to comment below if you have any other tips as to why should a child or why should young people be exposed to this concept, moving forward within their lives. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.